Welcome, Monster Truck fans, to this unboxing of Dragon from 2019, the training truck. It is a metal base. So on the back of the package, it says Race Them All, and Monster Jam Authentic. Includes poster. We have Grave Digger, Son of a Digger, El Toro Loco, W, which is for Whiplash, and then Radical Rescue, Blue Thunder, Cyclops, Sparkle Smash. And then you say choose a winner, and you get a little figurine with the guy. So let's go ahead and unbox Dragon. So if you're just new to collecting the Spin Master Monster Jam series, here is what one of the little figures looks like. He has his helmet on, his arm in the air, his fist pumping, and then right here you can stand him up if you want to. And then we also get a poster included. And they also used to put these in too, a card like this. So here is the poster of, this one is Whiplash, and there were different posters of different trucks. And then on the back here, we get a picture of the different trucks in 2019. I believe this is all of them. On the right-hand side, we have the training trucks. You can see El Toro Loco, Megalodon, Gravedigger, Earthshaker, Zombie, and Dragon. Here is the training truck of Dragon out of the package, and we get the yellow BKT lettering on those dark gray tires, and the wheels are very fancy, spectral looking. And so yeah, they pop out. The base of the truck is metal, and you can see the motor really well. The roll cage is plastic green, and then you can see that they have the name of the truck on the side, also the Monster Jam logo. There is some black little detailing on the plastic small body. In the front here, we get two yellow lines that start off wide, and then they go in closer together onto the nose of the body. Right there, that piece. And then you can get a nice view of the driver inside. Depending upon how I tilt this, you can see him in there. And then here is the other side of Dragon. We also have that silver metal pot up there to protect the driver, I believe, and then on a crash. There we have it, the unboxing and of Dragon from 2019 training truck. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Thank you for tuning in.